Hi, Michelleoddo here with the Oddo Group at Littleton Financial. A question I get all the time is, what debts are you going to use against me in my debt ratio for qualifying for a home? What debts does the lender look at? Do we look at car insurance? Do we look at electrical bills? Do we look at your phone bill? So the only thing that the lender uses when considering your debt ratio, your income versus your debt, is the debts that show up on the credit report, as well as the new housing payment. And then, of course, if there's any child support or alimony maintenance being paid, any payments that are due to the IRS, like if you're on a payment plan, and student loan debt, whether it shows up on the credit report or not with a payment, we have to come up with some sort of a payment, whether it's income-based repayment plan or we use the 1% of the balance. But in general, the point being is we are going to use all of the debts that show up on the credit report. So car loans, credit cards, any kind of installment loan, personal loans, anything that is reporting to that credit bureau will get added up, and we will use those in your monthly debt load along with the new housing payment. And that is what goes into the debt. And of course, again, child support, maintenance, IRS payments, things like that. We do not use electric bills, phone bills, insurance, and the only time we have to consider childcare and some of those utility bills is with a VA loan. VA loan is the one loan where we have to do a thing called disposable income. We have to look at what your debts are versus your income. And we do have to add childcare and maintenance into that, and that will affect if you qualify or not. But that's only a VA loan. So conventional, like a Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or an FHA loan, those other expenses, maintenance, childcare, those do not go into factoring your debt ratio. And typically we can go anywhere from 45%, sometimes 50% of your gross income in all of those debts and housing. And then FHA will actually let you go up to 55% of your gross income in monthly housing and debts. So if you have more questions on this, if you want to know if you qualify, or what do we need to do to make your debt ratio work, and look at those debts and maybe pay some things off, or different ways to make that deal work, give us a call. We'd love to help you with it. Michelleoddo, the Oddo Group, Littleton Financial, and our specialty is underwriting that file up front and making sure we have all of our ducks in a row. So when you go to put an offer on a home, or when you lock your rate for a refinance, you know that you're going to close on that loan. There's no surprises at the end. So again, Michelleoddo, the Oddo Group, Littleton Financial, give us a call. We'd love to help you.